Hi guys, this is number 11 of the how-to series, and this one's going to be a quick easy one. I do get asked quite a bit still. Guys want to know how to attach balloons to their leader or the main line for when they're rock fishing, trying to float baits out, live baits, dead baits. Even if you're off a boat and you want to float a balloon or float a livey out mid-water for mackerel or cobia, a lot of people still can't work out how to put a balloon on quick and easily. And when I do go with them or see them do, they have little break-off lines and stuff attached to the balloons, and they twist and tangle. And anyway, what we're going to do is just a quick easy demo. So basically what I've got here is a 130-pound leader tied to a 10-0 hook, just to give you an idea. So when you put a balloon on your leader, you want to work out what depth you want your bait to go to, dead or live. Okay, so generally you can run between here to the balloon 4 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, depending how deep you are. You only might want to lead it like a meter if you're in fairly shallow water chasing kingfish around rock ledges. Anyway, you measure out to whatever length where you want your bait to go, whatever depth. I'm just going to say a meter here roughly, just to give you an idea. So we're going to attach to the balloon here about a meter up. Now, this is the easy bit. Good old trusty balloon. I think it's like a happy birthday balloon, so there you go. Now we're just going to blow it up and I'll attach it, and I'll just show you how quick and easy this is and how it works. So first we'll blow it up, not all the way up, just fair size, enough for the wind to grab it. So something like that. That's enough. That's live bait's not going to pull that down, dead bait's not going to pull that down, wind will grab it and take it, current. So we blow it up, okay? Now what I want to do is round the fingers, I want to start tying a knot. So round the fingers like so. I am just going to tie the knot. So it's tied. Now I want to do, with your mono, just grab it where how far up from the hook you want it. Just double it over like so. That's it. You see that? It's just doubled over. Now, just put it between your fingers. So when you take your fingers out, the knot's going to go around the double. Hopefully you can see that and understand that. Okay? So that's what it looks like. I'll try and hold the balloon up here. Balloon's up, the knot's around the double line. So basically how this is going to work, guys. Okay? So this is going, the right hand here is going off your hook, so that's your live bait or bait sitting a meter down. This is on the surface. This other one here is off to your rod. And you're floating out, you're letting it out, and also you're at the desired depth or distance from the shore. It's just going to bob around offshore. The beauty about these is when you get a strike, there's your rod, there's your main line. So when a fish takes off with these, the balloon's pulling out, it's going to drive you nuts. The fish takes off, and you watch the line, and it pulls up tension on your rod. That's just going to pop straight out. See? It just pulls straight out. Now the balloon's floating away, or hopefully back towards shore or somewhere, and now it's you against the fish pulled up tight. There's no balloon, there's nothing on your line, they just pop straight off. And when it's in the water and wet, it'll pull through a little bit easier. But don't worry, there's enough tension on that knot, that line, your bait's not going to pull it through. It needs to be quite a bit of tension, so when you actually strike and hook up to a good fish and there's a lot of tension on this will just pull straight out of your balloon will float away. It's you against the fish, no restrictions, no nothing. That's a quick and easy way to do balloons. Oh, I hope you like that one. That's a handy little tip, especially if you're land-based. And I'll see you again tomorrow for number 12. Thanks guys, bye.